Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Next Road. In this video, we are going to review the Sena C1 Bluetooth helmet so that you can make a right decision before making a purchase. Let's get started. The helmet brand, Sena. Color, 3 different color available. Age range, adult. Size, medium, large. Special feature, Bluetooth. More features you need to know before buying. 4-way Bluetooth intercom for hands-free helmet-to-helmet communication. Speakers and microphone built in, no installation needed. Integrated taillight with 3 brightness settings for rider visibility. Smartphone connectivity in order to listen to music, turn-by-turn directions, take calls, and more. Compatible with the Sena Cycling App for adjusting settings, smart intercom pairing, and access to quick start guide. More info please check out in description below. Thanks for watching, please like my video and share.